Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new, my name is Yolanda. Thanks so much for joining me. I really hope that you find value in my content, and please, if you do, don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post a video. So in today's video, I'm going to be using hibiscus flower to make a deep conditioner for growing healthy hair and for healing dormant follicles. Before we dive deep to the video, let's look at what hibiscus can actually do for your hair. It stimulates hair growth. Bright colored hibiscus flowers has amino acids which are necessary for producing keratin. The flowers are capable of stimulating hair regrowth even from dormant hair follicles, and also it helps repair bald patches. And also the flower is capable of making your hair smooth, shiny and strong. And thirdly, the flower cleanses hair. Using a DIY hibiscus shampoo once a week will help your hair bounce back to its original form. It deep conditions hair. Leaves and flowers from the hibiscus plants are incredibly moisturizing. It has high amount of mucilage content which helps to provide slip and hold while sealing in the moisture. The flower helps to treat dandruff and itchiness in the scalp. Hibiscus has astringent properties which helps reduce the oil gland secretions and excessive oil secretion of the scalp. It helps cool and soothe scalp, providing relief from itchy scalp and dandruff. It combats hair loss. The flower is rich in vitamin C and amino acids. The flower improves the blood circulation under the scalp to stimulate healthy hair growth. The flower delays premature hair graying. Hibiscus prevents hair breakage. Hibiscus help you get rid of all dirt and chemicals, thus rehydrating the hair's keratin fibers. Amino acids also add strength and elasticity to your hair. So guys, this video is really going to be simple. I'm going to be mixing my hibiscus with my deep conditioner. You can use any deep conditioner of your choice, but guys, like for this video, I'm really sorry I lost the clip showing you guys my blending process and all of that. So I poured 1/4 cup of water, and then I added 4 tablespoons of my deep conditioner, and then I also added 2 tablespoons of hibiscus flower, and then I let it blend. Please guys, don't forget to sieve so that you can get rid of the big particles, because washing your hair will take you like a day or two. Really, it's a job. So guys, the final results of the product is simple. My conditioner had a foam, it tripled in size. I had a quarter mixture in my blender, and I ended up with 3/4 mixture that I managed to use twice. Guys, as always, I apply this on freshly washed hair. So I start from the ends and work my way down all the way to the roots, and also I apply some on my scalp, then I massage the scalp, and then I'm going to finger detangle and twist my hair and then move to the next section. So guys, this product softens my hair, it feels moisturized, and it's easy for me to detangle. In short guys, my hair is full of life. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the plastic bag and just let this sit for an hour plus. Then I'm going to detangle with my afro comb, and then I'm going to wash it out. You can see how awake my hair is feeling guys, like my hair is really awake, like my foci is like and as you can see, my hair is not clumping. That means it is really good in moisturizing the ends and also getting rid of split ends video. So thank you guys for watching, and I really hope that you enjoyed the video. And please, if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your loved ones. And thank you so much guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.